Come on along. Smells like oil. Oh, what? Now she's boring.
Came out.
Them look perfect.
Number 6.
Oh, number 6.
It's all fucking
Not burning.
shit, caked. Yeah, shit the
You don't have to swear, do you? Oh, them valves. There's been.
Yeah, just built up and oil on the valve.
Wow.
You got an oil fan gasket here also. You want to get one in that other kit?
Troy, you look like you're doing work on somebody's teeth with that thing. Are you a dentist? Are you getting ready to? Oh wow! Look we got new stuff. It's like an assembly line over here. Big one, little one.
Mike, if you video me, I'm gonna break a ring.
You're gonna okay? I'll quit. We don't want any broken rings.
That's just how it would go.
Yeah, I know. Remember that last engine we did? Somebody else broke one? The old guy that used to be here.
Did he?
Yeah, we had to run down to Deer and get a actual, yeah, he broke one. That was a long time ago. Yeah, you're right.
The last one that we did. Not the last one.
Yeah, but that's been probably the last one we worked on, ain't it? It don't matter.
That was good.
It's gonna be in there by the time you see this video again, it'll be running, right? You working Saturday and Sunday?
Want me to?
Just Saturday.
I can't work Saturday. I work Sunday.
Supposed to rain Saturday. Be a good place to be. Half inch, they said. Another half inch. We had 5 inches this week already. Don't even say it. Okay, I gotta quit. He's putting rings on. Bye. You want to start it and show off so I can leave? Oh. How's she run? Like a top? Or like a John Deere with an in-frame rebuild? Wow, that's what they call it though. Oh. All right. Sounds pretty good. Think you should leave it straight pipe like that, huh? You gonna give her ding? Oh yeah. That's it. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more, help support the channel, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I put up a video. It'd be really appreciated. This gets to be quite a chore sometimes, and every little bit and every one of you subscribers helps, so I'd appreciate it. Click the subscribe, the little bell. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy my videos.